We're doing a little experiment for my friend. I have a friend in the Hollywood Winner Circle. If you're my friend catching this is for you. And we're also going to go on a little tour to see if any of the new toys that I have learned to use can help us do what I want to try and do. I belong to way too many groups and have bought too many products. So I actually have a bookmark called All the Courses I Own. Look at this. Are you kidding? Are you seeing all this? Okay, so I learned from Become a Content Creator, that course. If you ever want to join it, please tell me to make an affiliate link. But I don't have one right now. And I'm going to go to... I learned from them about this great place here. And it's pay as you go. So I'm looking at Fal.ai and I didn't type on the right one. This says text to image. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go up here and search for anything. And I'm going to search for, actually, it'll show you here, image to video is one that I have used. Okay, so you don't need to know what you're looking for, right? Image to video is what we're looking for. I believe that I was told that the Kling ones were great. I know VO2 was expensive, but good. Let's go with this one, Kling, image to video. We're just gonna try a little experiment, okay? All right, and here are the parameters that it asks for. Let me save this in case I like it. I'm gonna bookmark it into the all the courses I own section. And see, so it asks you for a prompt, and you put in at least one image URL. Oh, this one costs $3.36, and I currently don't have enough money, I guess. I don't want one that's going to cost her $3.36. So let's go back, but that's good to know, okay? This is kind of pay as you go. Let's see. I don't know how I just raised my hand. Put your hand down, Dawnnie. I don't know. Oh, not working. Okay, what's another one? I don't know. Let's try Grok. Let's see if that's less expensive. Image to video. Let's see. How much is it? Image to video. And if you go down here, it'll tell you. Ooh, look. Yeah, let's do this, okay? We're gonna try it. I'm all about trying to save money right now, especially because my friends and I are in this YouTube class with our mentor, Wendy Elaine Wright, from the Hollywood Winner Circle. If you want to know more about that, I'll link it in here. And, you know, we're trying to do things on a budget and help each other. Hold on. Come here, Belly. You don't have to be sad. That's your brother just coming in here to talk to you. Yes, you don't have to bark. So it's only going to cost us 32 cents. Every second costs 5 cents. It does only come out in 720p, which is probably why it's less expensive. But let's try it. Let's see what happens. And then, so that's the only parameter it's asking me for is the one thing. I like that. It confuses me when it asks for more things. Okay. Okay, this is what I've written. Please use the referenced photo for the video you are making. The characters in the photo should wave, dance a bit, and then one should step out of the picture and walk out of frame. The other watches as this happens. Keep this in the same style of the original picture and keep character consistency throughout. So let's see if it's capable of even doing this. So we're gonna choose a photo. We've got, and then you click run. Ooh, it was fast. Okay, I didn't have to pause the recording. Ooh, hold on a second. Did I pause the recording? I did not. Oh my gosh, this looks cute. Let's look at it. Oh, how cute is that? It's doing it exactly. They're dancing, they're waving. One came out. Oh my gosh, she's gonna love it.